Good afternoon, everyone. It's a beautiful Sunday, July 13. Nandito ako sa bahay ngayon doing this recording. And kanina umaga, I was thinking, ano kayang magandang content this time? Pwede ko i-share sa inyo today. Naisip ko bigla na bakit hindi ko pakilala pala sa inyo yung the company and the people behind our group. Para sa ganun, bago ang lahat, bago kayo lumaki, bago kayo mag-grow, kilala niyo yung mga tao behind this companies. So, yung ating first organization is called Nanosci. Okay? Natural Nutrition Science. And this was established since 2007. No? And it's a leading pharmaceutical or nutraceutical healthcare products manufacturer based in Subic, Zambales, Philippines. Matagal na po sila gumagawa ng supplements para sa mga ibang brands. Okay? So, this time, they're doing their own brand, okay, and headed by its chief formulator, Dr. Tiru. So, itong Nanosci is FDA compliant, FDA approved, GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices compliant, ISO certification, that iba pang certifications that makes our manufacturing firm in Zambales compliant. And I've been stressing this time and again, na kung bakit ako nag-join sa Nanocell, it's because nakita ko kagad na ang Nanocell is having its own manufacturing firm dito sa Pilipinas. I myself, I have my manufacturing career for over 34 years. So, alam ko po, I know what it's like to have your own manufacturing firm. Unang-una, yung quality management. Quality management has to be there. Yung inventory management has to be there. Yung compliance nyo has to be there. Tumanda po ako sa production floor. So, alam ko kung gaano ka-importante for a direct selling company or MLM company to have its own manufacturing firm sa Pilipinas. So, sino po yung mga tao behind Nanosci? Of course, we have Dr. Sheila Tiru. She is the CEO and founder of Nanosci. And she's also supported by a group of doctors, sila Dr. Unidad, Dr. De Villa, and Dr. Kat. Okay, sila po ang bumubuo ng medical team na nagmamanage ng, supplements sa Nanosci. Of course, dumating lately si Dr. Ariel Baira. He talks with us through Zoom. Ang dami niyang good insights binibigay, rini-review niya ang bawat product, hinihimay niya ang bawat product, and I hope, you don't miss his talk during the week. Okay, so we have our chief formulator, Dr. Sheila Tiru, we have our formulation team, and then we have our research and development team. Importante po ito kasi tuloy-tuloy po ang research and development. That means, by next month, we'll have our new product, and in the future, madadagdagan po ang ating current flagship products. Okay? So, pag meron tayong Nanosci as a manufacturing firm, dapat meron siyang marketing firm. Meron siyang marketing arm. Nanocell was launched in 2025. Okay? It is the direct selling networking marketing arm of Nanosci. Kumbaga, pag tayo ay nasa Nanocell, ang ibig sabihin, nakasandal tayo isang matibay na pader na Nanosci dahil hindi tayo mangangamba sa quality ng produkto, sa quality ng supplements, and sa inventory. Okay? Now, sino yung mga tao behind Nanocell? And by the way, what does Nanocell stand for? It is Natural Nutrition for the Cell. Alright? So, sino-sino sila? Of course, we have Sir Dennis. He's the president. Na-meet ko na siya personally. May mga kwento siya sa akin. And then we have Ma'am Connie, the CEO, Chief Operating Officer. We have Sir Lem, the Training Director. Siya po yan. Bumisita siya sa atin several times. We have, of course, Ma'am Connie. Silang tatlo, including Sir Allen, who's in charge of the IT and compensation plan. Sila po, na-meet na namin flesh and blood. Okay? Face-to-face, nag-discuss kami, nakita ko yung vision nila for this province of Cagayan. Malaki ang ambition nila. That is why ganun na lang kalaki ang suporta nila sa grupo namin with Edna, and they will make sure that we will make it happen in this region. Of course, ang frontliners lagi ng NanoCell team. Lagi natin kasama, okay? Day and night. Of course, si Coach Bong Mangahas, he's been a 27-year veteran sa networking. Alam niya yung in and outs. Alam niya yung mga basics na dapat natin matutunan uli, okay? He's been with USANA, one of the top guns. Marami siyang natulungan na big player sa USANA. Yung mga kakilala ko during that time, kilala rin niya. So we have common friends. And of course, without this guy, hindi namin makikilala ang NanoCell kasi through Facebook, diyan ko siya nahanap. Diyan kami nagkwentuhan. Nag-umpisa sa aming dalawa yung idea about NanoCell and Cagayan. And from that time until today, we are seeing results already. Okay, so salamat Sir Nico being our grand upline. By the way, yung mother niya is from Cagayan. He is a Kalimag clan. He belongs to the Kalimag clan. Baka kilala niyo. Okay, so you will get to meet them time and again. Now, eto po yung lagi kong pinagyayabang. Libre po ang training natin with NanoCell. Ni 5, wala po tayong binabayaran. Pero yung nakukuha nating information, tips, guides, valuable. Maraming companies dyan na nagpapataw ng 1,000, 1,500 para mag-attend ng 2-day training. Bukod sa pamasahin na gagastusin nila from the downstream, bukod sa gastos nila sa hotel, pinagbabayaran pa sila ng training team. Sa akin po, kalokohan yan. And unfortunately, okay, I will not even mention names, we've been paying such amount for a very elementary and baliw training. But now, this time, we are getting the right training, okay, the right proper guidance, free of charge. Kaya I would encourage each and every one of our group, do not take this for granted. Habang nandito pa, okay, please grab the opportunity to attend this training. We have to unlearn. Okay? I'm sorry to say this. May mga iba siguro, they think they know everything. And I thought I knew everything. But for me to succeed in this kind of hanap buhay, I need to empty my cup. I need to go to the basics. I need to unlearn. Para at least, you know, I can fill in my cup by getting to know the basics and what I need to know to make things happen. Okay, I hope you take this for, I hope yung commitment nyo sa training will be better this time. Now, ano naman ang competitive advantage natin over our competition? Ano yung meron tayo na wala sila? Ilalatag ko sa inyo isa-isa, no? And magugulat kayo. Of course, we own our own manufacturing based in NanoCell, based in Subic Zambales, which is NanoCell. Atin po. Again, sasabihin ko, tayo lang ang direct selling group or MLM group dito sa Pilipinas na may sariling FDA compliant, GMP, ISO certified manufacturing plant sa Pilipinas. Sino? Nagtanong ako, nag-research ako, wala. Ano ginagawa nila? They get their supplies either locally or internationally from third-party suppliers. Being one na nanggaling sa manufacturing for 30 plus years, alam ko ang kalakaran sa manufacturing. Kung ako ang manufacturing, kailangan mag-book ka ng space sa akin ng 6 to 1 year in advance. Kasi pag hindi ka nag-book ng space sa akin, I will give my production line with other brands, with other customers. Kawawa ka. So, dyan nagkakaroon ng problem sa inventory. Bakit walang inventory? Bakit walang product? Bakit naubusan? Isa po yan sa mga dahilan. Second reason, pagka yung relationship ng third-party supplier at saka yung direct selling company, MLM company, nagkaroon ng stray, nagkaroon ng lamat, hindi pagkakaintindihan, yun po ang umpisa ng problema. Number 3, pricing cost. Pag tinaasan ko ang presyo ko, okay, as a manufacturer, paano na yung direct selling group? Paano sila mag-adjust? Paano nila i-calibrate yung kanilang compensation plan? So I hope guys you get the point. Big plus po ito. Ito po ang dapat natin pagyabang. Second, We are now managed by a doctor, okay, who happens to be Dr. Sheila Tiru. She is a biotechnologist. She is a gerontologist. She is an expert in functional medicine. And she is a biologist. And she is supported by her own medical team. No? Dahil tuloy-tuloy ang research and development. And most of all, meron tayong sariling spirulina farm. Kaya naman, one of our flagship products, spirulina, is super ang quality. No? Maraming customers ngayon nasisihan sa spirulina. I myself, I take 12 tablets a day and I really can feel the energy inside me. Alright? Now, ano pa yung mga competitive advantage aside from this na hinighlight ko na wala sa ating competitor? Okay? Meron tayong NanoCell professional team. Dito ako na-impress. The first time I saw the team na dumating sila sa Cagayan, ang una-una ko nakita, yung management team nila, no? Meron silang presidente, meron silang COO, meron silang training director, meron silang IT head compensation plan, meron silang staff. Nakita ko yan, sabay-sabay dumating. Sabi ko, wow, very professional ang dating. Kasi po, unfortunately, sad to say, galing po ako sa kumpanya which is only managed by a husband and wife. Okay, I will not even mention the name. I'm not here to criticize them, but what I'm saying is, pag may structure po ang isang direct selling or MLM team or company, pag may structure, that means the quality of decision making is there. Okay? Then, meron tayong Coach Bong Mangahas, who is a veteran in the MLM industry. Kasama nila, kompleto Ricados. So, we have a team. So, ibig sabihin, ang impact sa akin ito, pag nakikita ko nandiyan siya, hindi ako nangangamba. Na yung kanilang decisions will be like, hindi yung, I would say, out of the blue decisions na pag-isipan lang today, i-implement today, bukas papalitan na naman. Alam mo, na-experience po namin yan eh. Ayaw ko ng ganon. Pagka ang team nag-decide, ibig sabihin, confident ako sa kanilang decision. Yun po ang isa nating competitive advantage over the rest. Okay? Ano pa? Meron tayong flagship products, Ultimas Templas, meron tayong Berberine, meron tayong Bloom Gluta, meron tayong Carbacrol, meron tayong Spirulina, meron tayong Berry Orac, meron tayong Nutrients Detox, at marami pang darating. Can you imagine, guys, na ibang company nabubuhay lang sa isang product, yun isang product lang, yun ang flagship nila. For instance, this time, it's a war between the barleys. Barley here, barley there, barley here, barley there. So they stand alone on one product. Yun lang ang flagship product nila. And namamayagpag sila sa isang product. Pagalingan lang ng barleys, pagalingan ng packaging, pagalingan ng ingredients. Pero look at us. Okay? If you're a distributor, isipin mo to. Mabubuhay ka sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flagship products ang sinasandalan mo, hindi lang isa. Isipin niyo po yan. And more to come in the next months to come. Okay? So, mas maraming flagship product, mas maganda, ibig sabihin, multiple po ang source of your income. Okay? What else? Of course, hindi po mawawala ito. FDA approved. Every product, every packaging, nandoon po yung FDA, LTO number. Find a company in the Philippines that is operating ang packaging nila, walang FDA, pero sinacirculate nila market. May kilala po ako. But I will not mention their name. With all our products, every product is FDA approved. Ang packaging natin nandoon, nakalagay doon, no approved therapeutic claims. Okay? So, kung ano yung markings na nakikita nyo pag bumibili kayo ng supplement sa pharmacy, ganun din po ang nakikita nyo sa ating products. So, these are all good indicators of a good company. Okay? So, what else? So, yun po ating competitive advantage. So, saan ka pa? Saan ka pa pupunta? Okay? Gusto pa ba sa foreign brand? Gusto mo ba yung brand na foreign wherein yung purchasing power natin to the dollar is how much? 56 to a dollar? Gusto mo ba doon? Okay? Or gusto mo sa isang company na hindi nagbabayad ng taxes? Okay? Hindi legit kasi hindi nagbabayad ng taxes? Kasi I would tell you guys, with NanoCell, pag nasa NanoCell ka, legit tayo, nakakatulong ka sa ating local economy because by patronizing our products, you provide employment to our brothers and sisters and much more. Lahat po ng income natin sa NanoCell, we are being imposed of a 10% tax. That's why it makes us more legit. Hindi tayo hahabulin ng BIR pag milyones ang ating pera. Much more, hindi mare-red flag ang kumpanya just because wala silang BIR certification and wala pong nakakawala sa BIR ngayon. Monitor po lahat yan. So sa ating company, wala tayong pangamba. Pwede natin maging company to for the rest of our lives kasi yung company natin is legit sa Pilipinas. Okay? Now, after na-present ko yung organization, I hope you guys have learned something. Pag meron pa akong bagong information about the organization, ilalatag ko sa inyo yan. So now we go to the duplication. Okay. Dito po sa NanoCell, tinuturuan tayo para mag-autopilot ang ating income sa NanoCell. Meaning to say, hindi lang po nakukuha sa sign-ups, tapos magpipicture, tapos ang dami nila, tapos nakaturo sila ng number 1. Okay, it seems ang measuring cup nila is pag pinopost nila na marami silang grupo, that means nagdo-duplicate sila. No. Nanggaling po ako sa isang company, terrible ang sign-ups, pero ang duplication, 0. That means, pag hindi mo na-duplicate yung sarili mo, at magre-rely ka lang sa pagbebenta, mapapagod ka. Kung hindi ka lalabas para magbenta, wala kang income. Pero pag meron kang duplication, pag meron tayong sinunod na system, being taught to us by NanoCell, being taught to us by Coach Bong, being taught to us by Sir Nico, pag sinunod po natin yung duplication system, in 3 to 6 months, to 1 year to 2 years, autopilot po ang magiging income. Ibig sabihin, ang income natin will be continuous. Okay? So sa duplication, okay, let me just read this. Unlock your true freedom in network marketing by practicing a proven system of duplication, a strategy where your team grows with or without you. Ibig sabihin, kahit wala ka physically, okay, because na-duplicate mo yung grupo mo down the line, ibig sabihin, lahat po ng income mo at saka income ng downlines mo naka-autopilot po yan. Okay? How to learn about duplication? You need to attend the trainings and you need to, really understand from the trainings on how to duplicate. Okay? So, when done right, this leads to an income stream on autopilot powered by leaders duplicating leaders. Para pong aeroplano yan na naka-autopilot, lumilipad mag-isa. Okay? So, pag tayo, in-implement natin yung duplication system, meron tayong structure, number 1. I presented to you the structure, the management. May structure tayo. Pangalawa, pag meron tayong sistema, okay, meron tayong duplication, okay, saan ka pa? Right? Now, ang result, para ka may apartment, meron kang passive income, ibig sabihin, ang income mo tuloy-tuloy. Okay? As a new member, eto ngayon na maging role mo. Importante po ito. Doon po sa hindi nag-a-attend ng training at doon sa hindi nag-plug in. I hope this message really strikes you, okay? Your first role as a new builder or as a new member in my group, your first mission is simple but powerful. Start building your team by inviting and organizing daily activities, okay? Meron pa tayong schedule na susundan. All you have to do is organize, invite, Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday, kung gusto mo Sunday, but Sunday is church day for us. You need to do this every day. Consistent daily action creates momentum. bringing excitement, motivation, and yes, this will bring daily pay-ins to your wallet. Alright? So, kailangan po ng ating activity from each member. Alright? Yan po. Now, ano pa? Okay? As new distributors, it's important to hold an MBM, meeting before meeting. Ano ibig sabihin ito? Bago nyo sila isabak sa Zoom meetings natin, kailangan may idea na sila. Kailangan na profile mo na sila. Kailangan nakita mo na whether there are users, they can become potential builders. Kailangan nakita mo na yung need nila. Kailangan nabigyan mo sila ng kahit short overview of what is NanoSci, what is NanoCell, and what are the flagship products. Yun lang. Then invite them for a Zoom meeting. Once they are willing to go into the Zoom meeting so they know what to expect. Hindi papasok sila sa Zoom meeting, masyashock sila. Ano to? So, sa Zoom meeting kasi, we'll also tell them, you know, the full product presentation and the compensation plan. Kaya, again, maganda po na i-MBM nyo muna sila, give them an idea of what we're talking about before you set them into our Zoom meetings. Okay? So, use this time to give a short but clear overview of NanoCell, okay, its product line, and a brief background of its parent company, NanoSci. Yun po yan. Alright? So, please remember. Now, after your MBM, you guide your prospects to attend the product business presentation via Zoom with Upline Nico for deeper understanding and alignment. Okay? Meron po tayong schedule na nakalatag. Makikita nyo mamaya. Okay? Then, when needed, you can also invite them to a coffee shop table talk, centering ang tawag namin dyan, or an on-site presentation to accommodate multiple prospects and create a more personal connection. Kasi, siyempre, may pagkakataon kasi na pag na-MBM na natin sila at hindi possible mag-join sila sa Zoom, tatagan mo na. But, by this time, dapat may product knowledge ka na, dapat may compensation plan, package ka na. So, if you have your laptop, use your laptop. If you have your tablet, use your tablet. I already provided the templates for our health and wealth program. Gamitin nyo po yun. Kung wala kayong ganitong tools, okay, I provided 2 clear books already. One for Ma'am Alma and one for Ma'am Pastora. Kayo na po bahala mag-duplicate ng clear book because we cannot afford to provide clear books to everyone dahil dumadami ang members. So, clear book, hard copies yan, nakalagay sa clear book, pwede niyo siyang gamitin as your tool when you do your table talks or your centering strategy with your prospects. Okay pa? Now, Zoom is there. Yung pre-meeting natin. Okay, what else? After the product or business presentation, it is critical to give a call to action. So, ibig sabihin, ito pa yung follow-ups, no? To encourage your serious prospects to secure their pay-ins as in now na. So, create a sense of urgency. There is no tomorrow, there is no next week. Kailangan na nila mag-sign in, assuming they are committed. Okay? In network marketing, positioning is everything because we are binary, left and right. So those ready to start should register right away and choose their preferred builder package starting from Standard 1, Standard 2, Business Executive, or Elite. Alright? So register now na. And then in network marketing, it's essential that newly registered distributors are plugged in with Coach Bong within 24 to 48 hours to jumpstart their journey. This early engagement ensures they are all fired up and equipped with the right mindset from day one. If we fail this plugging in, I'm telling you guys, mamamatay yung motivation. Nag-pay in pero hindi na-plug in within 24 to 48 hours, I'm telling you, mawawala na yan. And the effort, sayang, di ba? So please bear in mind, pag meron kayong bagong member, hilain nyo kagad sa ating messenger or Zoom meetings, they need to join our plug-in session with Coach. Alright? So, importante po yan. What else? Okay, In a traditional business, you're often led on your own to figure out things. Sarili mong diskarte. But in network marketing, teamwork and collaboration are essential to your success. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-isa. Nakakalungkot po mag-isa. Alright? So remember, the real business is raising leaders under you. So make it a must to attend all our NanoCell and Team Supreme trainings to grow with the system and to grow your team. Okay? Yan po ang itsura natin pagka tayo po ay nasa networking. Lagi tayong nasa grupo, lagi tayong nasa team. We work together as a team. We don't work alone. Alright? Now, ito po yung gusto ko i-highlight sa inyo. Tapos na po tayo sa old school. Network marketing as involved. Nandito na po ang technology sa atin, whether you realize this or not. Technology is now fully integrated into the duplication system, making it faster and more efficient. Okay? Para maging successful ka sa MLM, you must embrace, you must accept Zoom and other online platforms as part of your daily activities for product and business presentation. Okay, let me just go back po. Medyo na madali. Okay. Sa network marketing, technology is now integrated into the MLM landscape. Nandiyan na po ang technology, nandiyan na po ang social media. Pag yan, na-align natin sa ating negosyo, you can work from home. You can join meetings from your home. You can initiate meetings from your home. Okay? Nakakatipid ka. At the same time, widespread ang iyong reach. Nakakapag-leverage ka. So, kung nakakapag-Facebook ka, alright? Kung meron kang signal for Facebook, hindi ko po maintindihan kung bakit ka walang signal for Zoom. Reality check lang po. So, pag meron akong nakikitang member na ang reason sa amin hindi nakapag-join but weak ang signal, please, we need to correct this mistake or we need to correct this handicap. Kasi pag wala kayo sa technology, hindi po kayo makakahabol sa amin. All we want is for you to catch up with us. Sumabay po kayo sa amin dahil namamayagpag po lahat ng direct selling at MLM sa Pilipinas gamit-gamit ang technology. Kung hindi nyo po ako mapaniwalaan, pumunta po kayo sa Reels ng FB. Makikita nyo po sari-saring approach, sari-saring offerings ang binibigay ng MLM industry ngayon using technology. So please, try to realize this fact. If you want to be successful in my group or in our group, you have to be with us in terms of technology-driven. Okay po? Now, ito po ang NanoCell online Zoom schedule natin. Bakit importante ang training? I have stressed that very clear already. So, sandali lang po. Ito po ang ating schedule. 8 p.m. we have product and business review. 8 p.m. Wednesday we have new distributors orientation. 8 p.m. Thursday we have product review. 8 p.m. Saturday we have mastermind coaching with Coach Bong. And it has been proven, okay, globally na ang success ng isang MLM distributor lies on attending trainings. Ayaw nyo pa maniwala? One example is Global. In Global, okay, it was proven, it was observed, it was studied that one of their ingredients to success was continuous training na binibigay nila sa kanilang distributor. Proven na po ito. So, if you want to be successful, again, para akong sirang plaka kung medyo naririndi kayo sa sinasabi ko, because I need you to be successful with us, each and every one of you. Ang commitment namin sa inyo, pantay-pantay, 100%, but suklian nyo po ng by attending the trainings kasi we want you to have the knowledge that you need. Alright po? So, tulungan natin ang magiging daily routine natin, training, ikaw at ang grupo mo ang total makikinabang. Ito po ang ating Team Supreme schedule. Okay? Kung meron man pagbabago, we will let you know. Alright? So, meron tayong 8 p.m. Monday Product and Business Review. Para sa mga invites nyo, meron tayong 9:30 a.m. Wednesday Product and Business Review. Ihanda nyo na yung sarili nyo dahil pag wala si Sir Nico, you will do the presentation. I can do the presentation. Edna can do the presentation. 8 p.m. Friday Product and Business Review and 5 p.m. Saturday plug-in session with Coach Pong. Unfortunately, yesterday, Saturday, wala pong nag-attend dahil iisa lang po ang reason. Wala silang signal. Okay? Now, ito po is our wala i-share sa inyo. Self-made millionaires make it because they endure how long to bleed with consistency, with commitment, in feeling their deepest why. So, thank you for your time. Pwede po pakishare ito sa inyong grupo. Okay? Until the next time, maraming pong salamat.